Hey, 10 things you should know before giving up sugar. Ready? Giving up sugar has many health benefits, and while it may seem painful in some regards, knowing and understanding how you're improving yourself will give you some internal leverage. Here are 10 things you can write down or remember, put on your fridge for motivation when you're really thinking about giving up sugar and saving your life. Should be your number one motivating factor first off, and really number one reason, if your dentist owns a really nice car, it's probably due to all these cavities they get to fill. Giving up sugar will help you cut down on the destruction of your teeth, making it so that your heart disease. Remember, directly, there's so much that's linked right now with the way we take care of our teeth and even heart disease. So huge things there. Not to mention, teeth are expensive. Two, you will improve your sleep. And it'll be much easier to actually drift off. Having stabilized blood sugars means that you won't have that crazed energy that comes up from eating a candy bar or a large bag of chips, or a soda pop as evening snack. Number three, many people see an improvement in their facial skin. They will be less pimples and acne triggered by the sugar. Four, we all want to eat healthy. We all want to be healthy and be at that proper weight. Eliminating sugar can actually improve your diet. It's going to greatly improve your overall weight loss goals for sure. Help keep you from immediately regaining those unwanted pounds. Number five, everything you can do to reduce the risk of heart disease should be explored, right? You'll be having to know that eliminating sugar will help keep your insulin levels properly regulated. That means your heart will beat at its proper rhythm, and the blood pressure will stay in the right range. Speaking of the heart, give up those salad dressings that are laden with sugar and switch to pure virgin olive oil or balsamic vinegar or even salsa on your salad. 6, you hear about brain fog more frequently these days, right? As people who have fibromyalgia suffer from it. However, brain fog can also be caused by overindulging in sugar. Sugar is extremely toxic and can cause brain damage to the cells. This makes it hard for them to communicate with each other. Message from cell to cell don't get delivered properly, and results are brain fog and memory loss. 7, if you want to be happy and not get into arguments on a frequent basis, then give up sugar. People who eliminate sugar from their diets report that their mood swings that they suffer from disappear and they have better relationships. Sugar causes agitation, anxiety, and depression, among other issues. Do you know anyone with diabetes? If you do, then you probably are aware that they need to inject insulin to take a large number of pills per day. If they have type 2 diabetes, by going sugar-free, they can significantly lower the chances of developing diabetes, which in turn causes many issues in the body. Diabetes can also affect the heart and cause kidney damage. For example, this knowledge should convince you to give up sugar permanently. Number 9, depression is an ugly thing. It can cause more mental issues and a number of physical ones as well. Overcoming our dependence on sugar will lower or eliminate bouts of depression. Our body should never become dependent on something that is destructive to it. 10, if aging is something that concerns you, then getting off the sugar is a step in the right direction. While sugar contributes to pimples and acne, it also harms to your overall skin. Skin causes wrinkles and blemishes, and people attribute to normal aging. But the truth is, your skin can age more, if you have this, and you can actually look more youthful if you limit sugar and increase your water intake. I drink a lot of water, you guys. I just turned 41, so I gotta take good care of myself. So with these 10 scientifically proven facts, you can have some overwhelming reasons to do a detox from sugar, which just so happens that I have a course on detox of sugar. And depending on when you watch this, it depends on when you'll fall in the mix. I do it live, but I also have it as a course. It's going to be a live course as of September 6th, and I'm actually doing the live 21 days with that now. Even if you sign up for the 6th, you can actually just do it at your own pace. What happens is once you sign up after the 6th, so let's say you sign up on like the 8th, you get lesson 1 on the 8th and lesson 2 on the 9th. They'll drip it to you. But if you sign up on the 6th, I'm actually going to be doing it live, and then I'll be drip feeding it into the lessons each day. So no matter what, if you do it live with me or if you just want it as your own pace, you can do that. And you get lifetime access to it. It's a 21 day. You're going to learn how to totally detox in a safe way from the sugar. And in fact, I think I even added the bonus week, so I believe we're going to probably be doing a whole month of it. Because I added 21 days, and then I add that bonus week. So you're going to get a month worth of detoxing. I'm going to give you recipes. It's daily micro habits that shift. And I'm actually, if you go to the page, you're going to see exactly what it's all about. But if you're someone who needs to detox from sugar, this is it. And you're going to be part of the tribe in my community. And we'll support one another, encourage one another on the sugar detox thing. I don't eat sugar, you guys. I really don't. I have some fruit, and that's about it. But aside that, I'm not a sugar person. I have great energy levels, and like I said, I'm 41. So it is worth it to detox from sugar. But if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me to ask me the questions. Post below any questions that you have about sugar and other things. What do you need help on with the Fit Life? What courses would you like to see me make or provide for you? What videos? I'd love to know. All right. Sugar-free. I believe it's sugarfree.gogen.net. It's also in the show notes. It might come up on the screen too for you to go and get the sugar-free course. Join me if you're here before September 6, 2020. Or join me, do the course, and then you have lifetime access, and then join me on the next live one. Just do more than once, right? All right. Be brave, be kind, live authentically, always shine. And remember, you're just one habit away, and part of the habit is what? Well, detox from some sugar.